Right now, more convictions overturned in cases tied to former Chicago Police Sergeant Ronald Watts. It's a story we've been investigating for you for the past 4 years. CBS 2's Mugo Odigwe is live at the Leighton Criminal Courthouse to explain. Good morning, Mugo.
Ryan, 88 petitions were brought before the court today, but ultimately the state decided to vacate just 5 of them. But here is how we got to all of this in the first place. We know judges have already thrown out well over 100 convictions tied to Ronald Watts and his tactical team. Prosecutors have been clearing men and women of charges connected to Watts since 2016. In 2012, Watts pleaded guilty to stealing from a homeless man who posed as a drug dealer as part of an undercover FBI sting. Watts admitted to routinely extorting money from drug dealers and was sentenced to 22 months in prison. Now, in some of those cases that led to his arrest, Watts' victims refused to pay him money or did something that angered him. But in other cases, there appears to be no reason for why he targeted them. This morning, an attorney with the Exoneration Project called it an emotional day.
But when you're looking at the scope of what Ronald Watts and his officers did to the African American community in the housing projects on the South Side, I just remain deeply, deeply, deeply troubled that this was allowed to go on in the city of Chicago.
So ultimately, at the end of the day, 5 petitions out of 88 were vacated today. That means at least 83 are still left out there. The state says they need more time to look over and review those petitions. We know a new court date has been set for January 3rd of next year. Well, I have a 2016 Cal, Mugo Odigwe, CBS 2 News.